Ito pala yun, no? DPS ba yan? Mga nag-ano dyan?
Oo, yan, DPS.
Yung nag-ano dyan.
Yan yung mga yan yung dinadalang truck ng mga nag-fire.
Department of Sanitation, no?
It's got a fire. It's got a fire going. These places. Yeah.
Iniisip ko yung pagbukas ako.
Ito, di na nila kaya.
So much
Ayan,
power.
tingnan mo naman yan. Ayan o, tingnan mo sa kalsada.
Oh, ganyan
They
sila.
move their houses on the street, little by little.
Yeah. So I'm going to the Korean barbecue. I'm going up the steps. Here in Manila somewhere. So this is where we're going for barbecue. Alright, so we're going in. Alright, so we're cooking the barbecue. We can see it's cooking pretty good. Oh, there's a flamer right there. There's a flamer. Wow. Now we got him cooking. There's the Korean barbecue here. We're cooking it up. So we had quite a bit of meat. We had a lot of bulgogi, fried chicken, potatoes, beef, and mostly pork ribs. Not pork ribs, but pork. So we're leaving this place. All right, so we just had a big barbecue meal. We ate a lot of meat. You all right? Here and
Nice place.
yeah, busy too. Metro Manila. The car is parked right there. So we're here at the what casino is this? City of Dreams, where there's a Hyatt Regency. So we'll check on the Hyatt Regency and we'll look that up to see what that's like. But here we are at the City of Dreams, the Melco Casino. So this is the Melco Casino here in Manila. We'll take a walk in there. Let's see what it is.